Welcome to LeadWave. In this small tutorial today, we are going to see a contacts module. How you can create contact groups, add contact numbers, and there is a number filter also. How can you use that? So in the LeadWave application on the left side main menus, take on contacts, take on new brew, give any name. Description is not mandatory. You can write the description if you want to understand what kind of a group that belongs to. Just simply click on create group. This will create a line here. This is a view. Just simply click on there. There are multiple options to add contacts. One is manual add. When you click on that, it will create a simple form. You can write the number here. You can write the email address, company name. These fields are not mandatory. You can create variables here which you can use in bulk campaigns. For example, if you want to track customers' age, for customers' anniversary, or customers' weight for that instance, so you can add any kind of variables here. Simply click on add contact here. Okay. By default, it will say invalid. You can click on copy paste, just copy paste few numbers and click on add to group. Okay. There is a provision of Excel import also. When you click on this, you'll be able to download the sample here. Save wherever you want to save. And once the contact Excel sheet is saved, just open that CSV, fill up all this information and upload in this application by using input group function and clicking on upload CSV file. Okay, so we are at four numbers. There is a button called verify WhatsApp. You just have to click on that. And if you start verifying WhatsApp number, it says Procure checked for, verified for, and invalid 0. Suppose if there are invalid contacts, you will be able to take on delete invalid and it will delete all the invalid numbers. In order to verify the contacts, you will have to make sure that one number is connected to the. Okay. There is a option called clean orphan. We have given this option purposely because what happens when you create a contact group and create a campaign, the campaign is in the way, the campaign has not been completed, and there are chances wherein you are deleting some contacts. So in that case, what happens? These contacts is not able to delete from the backend because it is still there in that bulk campaign which is already running. So in that case, you have to click on orphaned, ELF orphaned, so that the database is clean and that contact gets deleted from the backend. I hope you understood the contacts book and how to verify the number. I will see you in the next video. Explain how to use bulk messages. Thank you.